It's Lisa's birthday on Thursday. I was thinking that maybe we should have a party to celebrate. What do you think? Okay, that's a good idea. We can get anyone together in meeting room 4 after work. That should be big enough for us all. And it's easy to clean. Yes, okay. We should something to eat. We should something to eat. How about I call and get some sandwich delivered and you get drink. Oh, and we need to tell everyone a time. Let's make it 6 o'clock. Then people can stop by before they leave the office.